So we have a mathematics question that says prove the identity. So you're given cos theta over 1 plus sin theta plus tan theta equal to sec theta. Okay, you need to understand that these you are seeing here, we call them trigonometric ratios. They helps us to understand or to connect the length and the angles on the right angled triangle. But here they're saying prove the identity. So when they say prove the identity, simply means that to show that this side it is equal to this one. You can pick any side, or if you want you can still pick this one to prove that it's the same with this one, or you can pick this one to show that it's the same with this one. You can use any side which you want to. Okay, so for me I'll pick this side here. So what you do is like this. So the way it is cos theta then over 1 plus sine theta, then you say plus tan theta, like this. So as you can see that this side we are given fraction, meaning that even this side is supposed to make it a what? A fraction. How? You introduce a 1 like this. So you say like this. So the next step is this. So the way it is, it will just come like this. So it will be cos theta over 1 plus sine theta. So now we say plus this tan you see here, it is the same with the saying sine theta over cos theta. These two are the same. Why? Because tan it is equal to sine over cos. So where there is tan, it's the same with this one. Okay, so now we continue. Now as you can see, they are now fractions. Okay, you need to understand that whenever you're given such kind of equation, the best is to always try by all means to simplify, to put it in its simplest form. So what we do now, we need to find a common denominator. So you draw a line. So cos times this one is going to give me open 1 plus sin theta, and then you put cos theta outside like this. You have seen the way it is? Yes, so meaning that this here is a common denominator here because they're different. Supposed to multiply them this times this, you're going to get this. The next step now you do this. So this 1 plus sin theta into this one, these two they are going to cancel out, and then I'm going to manage the cos on top. So cos times cos is going to give me cos square theta. So you put a plus. Now you say cos into this one, they are going to cancel out, then I'm going to remain with this. So this times this one, so meaning it will be like this, sine theta like this, then you multiply 1 plus sine theta like this. I hope you are following. I'm trying to be so slowly so that you fully understand. So next concept is you need to simplify this part, so you get this one, so it will be cos, so it will be cos square theta, then you put over, down here there is open 1 plus sine theta, then cos theta. Now we do this. So we say sin theta multiply with sin theta is going to give me positive sin theta like this, and then sin theta multiply by 1 is going to give me sin theta. It's the same. If you want, you can still start with the sin theta times 1, you're going to get this one, or this times this, you're going to get again this one. It's the same. So now, the reason why I have started with this one, because we have what you call an identity. An identity simply means they are the same. Those equations are the same. Meaning that when you solve cos square theta plus sin square theta, you're going to get a what? A 1. So meaning it will be 1 plus sin theta over open bracket 1 plus sin theta, and then outside of what? Cos theta. So as you can see, this one and this one are the same, so you can cancel them. So here it's going to give me 1, so here I'm going to put 1 over this one again into this one again, it is 1. So I'm going to benefit what now? I'm going to benefit cos theta. You have seen? Now we know to say the reciprocal or the multiplicative inverse of 1 over cos, it is equal to what? it is equal to sec theta. So when I say sec theta, simply means it is the same with 1 over cos theta. As you can see, sec theta, it is the same with this one there.